Welcome! To access the right features, start by selecting your role as either a trader or a customs agent. While this tutorial uses the trader role, from the dashboard, go to Regularity Compliances. In this tutorial, we'll walk through the Create New Request flow. First, select Release Bank Guarantee. You'll see a list of your records. Tap the Create a Release Bank Guarantee Request button at the top. This opens two sections. In the Information section, search for or select your guarantee. Enter your remarks, then tap Save and Proceed. You'll be moved to the Documents menu. Simply upload the required files and submit your request. Now, let's go back and select Infrastructure Development Cess Exemption Waiver. Tap the Create button at the top. This process involves 3 steps: Details, Bank Guarantee, and Documents. Under Exemption/Waiver Details, select your declaration and the relevant rules or laws. Add your remarks and tap Save and Proceed. Next, fill in the bank guarantee details. Upload your documents to submit.